What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're back with the BMW 318i convertible. Yep, we're back with, there's a couple things we're going to get done today, and then we're going to send this one down the road. Number one, she's getting a detail from On the Spot Auto Detail, or On the Spot Mobile Detail, I should say. They're mobile, they come to you. We're going to get these headlights cleaned up because they look pretty bad, guys. They look kind of rough. So she's going to get a nice detail in and out. She's going to get the headlights cleaned. She's going to get an oil change. And we're getting the windshield replaced. Yep. The windshield's getting replaced today from Los Primos Auto Glass. They're on their way right now. You can see this windshield's got a nice little split right down the middle there. A little bit more damage up there as well. So they're going to come out here. They're going to take care of that. This car is going to look sharp when it's done, probably today, I think. We'll get it all done in this video, whether it's today or not. In this video, this car is going to get detailed, windshield, headlights, oil change, and it's going to be ready to go down the road. Yeah, the Scion is sitting here too because it too is getting a new windshield at the same time. Its windshield's pretty bad. So Los Primos Auto Glass is on their way, and we're going to have us a couple brand new windshields. Now, before we get any further into this BMW video, it's time for today's video sponsor, Ridge Wallet, guys. Oh, you knew this was coming. Look at that beautiful carbon fiber. Tell me that is not absolutely gorgeous. I got the money clip. You can get a money band if you want. Now, I'm here to tell you, it's my OG wallet right here, guys. I have had this carbon fiber wallet well over 2 years. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. It is still in amazing condition. The bands are still in excellent shape. The money clip still holds money just like it's supposed to. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, cards. Yep, cards. You can hold about 12 cards. How about a lifetime warranty? How about this too? Try it before you buy it. If you don't love it, they give you a 45-day test drive, guys. 45 days, seriously. You don't like it, send it back, to give you a full refund. You can't beat it. You can throw it, you can drop it, you can step on it. These things hold up. And with this one being as old as it is, I'm here to tell you, like, I believed in it from the very beginning. I definitely believe in it a lot more now that I've put this thing through some rigorous life testing. And it has held up exceptionally well. RFID blocking, those digital pickpocketers are trying to get your card information. Not going to happen with this, guys. Not going to happen with this. They've got over 30 different flavors of this wallet. You may not like carbon fiber. Personally, I think this is one of my favorites. The other one that I really like is burnt titanium. They also have another one of my favorites is the 18-karat gold-plated. Beautiful wallets, guys. No matter what flavor you choose of the 30-plus that they have, you're going to find something that you enjoy. I can promise you that. And like I said, lifetime warranty, 45-day, try before you buy. And if that's not enough, 40,000 five-star reviews. Over 40,000 now, guys. Over 40,000 five-star reviews. Can't be wrong. They can't be wrong, guys. Go check out Ridge, www.ridge.com/AAR. Use code AAR for 10% off of your order today. Los Primos Auto Glass just showed up, guys. There we go. They're going to get in there. They're going to knock this out. And we're going to get on our way. Hey there, little guy. Just be quiet a minute, he'll pop his head back out. See, there he goes. I think they're blind. If I remember right, gophers can't really see. So you're the little guy that's been tearing up my yard, huh? Yeah, that's him. Been wondering where all them holes have been coming from. He's got no shame. Making himself a little nest there, I guess. All right. Well, I'll let you do your thing. I'm going to get back to doing mine. Well, it's the end of a new day. And there's nothing left in here. Well, almost nothing left. Of course, the Harley's still sitting there. I feel so bad. I really do. I feel so bad letting that thing sit there and not using it. This is the end of the BMW 318i. I'm going to tell you guys this right now. Walmart, I know you're not going to believe this, Walmart did a phenomenal job on the headlight restoration on this. A lot of you probably don't even know that Walmart does this, but take a look at this. Okay, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Yeah, Walmart did that. You know how much they charge to do both headlights. You guys aren't going to believe this. So I've done these many times in the past, and the kit to do these headlights is about, I don't know, 20 bucks, right? Somewhere around $20 for a good kit to do a good job on these lights. Walmart will do them for you for $25. Yeah, $25, and they'll do it for you. I want you to see how clear this is. All right, you can see all of the writing on here. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, not only do they do the work for you and provide all the materials for $25, they also warranty it. Okay, they warranty your lights against hazing or fading again. You can't beat a deal like that. I didn't have to lift a finger. I just went to Walmart, did some shopping, and when I came back, headlights looked brand new. So this will be the car's last appearance here at Auto Auction Rebuilds, and I'm here to tell you this is probably one of my most favorite cars that I have ever picked up from auction. Not the favorite, obviously the S63 AMG, the S600, those are a couple that come to mind. But honest to God, this little car, I enjoy it so much. I really do. I really do enjoy driving this car. You just don't see a whole ton of these riding around these days, guys. And this one has no warning lights on the dash. She starts right up. She's got a brand new windshield, brand new radiator cap, fresh coolant, full tank of premium 91 non-ethanol gasoline. Listen to that. Yep. Cold air, hot heat, 227,000 miles, and a good convertible top that doesn't leak. Crazy. I don't feel too sad, guys, because we've got more cars that need our attention. We're waiting on a couple things for the Saturn. The Saturn's going to come out real nice when we're done with it. And of course, we haven't even started on the Audi A6 yet. We got to get the exhaust done on that pretty quick. And of course, we still have the Scion XB as well. Lots of video content coming. But for those of you interested in the little E36, I'm here to tell you that since you're watching this video, there is a link down below that'll take you straight to the auction for this car over at Insurance Auto Auctions, guys. Just click the link, takes you straight over there. And if you're interested in it, you can bid on it. I'm here to tell you, I've put 50 miles myself on it, and it runs and drives absolutely great. No BS salesman crap going on here. I don't need to sell it. And the fact of the matter is, I think we all know it's not going to sell for big money. This is not a big ticket item, guys. I bought it cheap, and it's probably going to sell relatively cheap as well, as is the case with most of my cars. This isn't about making money on car sales, guys. I think that puts me as a dealer in a very unique position to be able to sell good cars to people for very little money because I don't have to worry about my overhead. It really does sound like a car commercial. It sounds like one of those commercials you hear on TV. we pass the savings on to you. Except for me, it's legit because the cars aren't important. It's the video revenue that keeps me going. So I can afford to sell them cheap. I can afford to lose money on them 9 times out of 10 as long as the video revenue does well. The cars aren't nearly as important. So I hope one of you ends up with this bad boy, man. She is a very, very nice example of an old E36. She really is. I think she came out absolutely great. Walmart did a great job. Of course, Los Primos did a great job replacing the windshield. And then we had on-the-spot detailing come out and do the cleaning up of it. And FCP Euro for the cooling system components, and Austin Car, as well as Interstate Batteries for the new battery that's in the trunk as well. A lot of people came and put their hands on this car, and ultimately we ended up with a great little running and driving example of an E36. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't, go ahead and hit the thumbs down button. Don't forget today's video sponsor, Ridge wallets, guys. Go check them out. Link down below, www.ridge.com/AAR. Don't forget to use code AAR for 10% off your order. I'm going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Links to all that down below as well. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.